everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will look into the updates of Odoo 18 and that is search for addresses. So we can search for the addresses from the contact module, which is a general feature. And here you can see that there are different contacts. And if you want to search a candidate or a contact by address, it is easy to search that. So I'll be searching for Fremont, and here as I just given my contact of address over here, you can see we have an option to search for contacts, and let me choose that. So here you would be able to find all the contacts that have the same address, and let me choose that. So as I just get into this address, here you can see we have almost 4 addresses over there, and if you want to view with each of these same addresses, you can just use this button to find all the addresses over here, and here you can simply search for all those name and that has a common address over here. So which is one of the new feature that you can find in Odoo as a general. And yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.